Welcome to this tutorial on Python programming. In this video, we will be looking at a code snippet that demonstrates the concept of break and continue statements in Python. Let's take a look at this code. As you can see, we have a while loop that runs as long as the value of I is less than 5. Inside the loop, we increment the value of I by 1. However, we also have an if statement that checks if the value of I is equal to 3. If I is equal to 3, we use the break statement to exit the loop. If we look closely, we can see that we only print the value of I if it is not equal to 3. Once I becomes 3, the loop breaks and we skip the print statement. Finally, we have an else statement that prints loop completed once the loop has finished executing. This statement is only executed if the loop runs to completion without encountering a break statement. As you can see, the code prints the values of I as long as I is less than 3. Once I becomes 3, the loop breaks. The output of the code will be 1, 2. Replace break with continue. The if statement checks if I is equal to 3. If it is, the continue statement is executed, which skips the current iteration of the loop and goes to the next one. If I is not equal to 3, the print statement is executed, which prints the current value of I. The loop continues until I reaches 5, at which point the loop exits, and the else statement is executed. The else statement prints the message loop completed. So the output of this code will be 1, 2, 4, 5 loop completed. Thanks. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.